This is the original photo and this is the final result. I'll show you my full Photoshop editing workflow step by step. Hey, I'm Saba. I'm from Saba's Photo Studio. In this video, I'll show you how I edit my photos in Photoshop using a real client image. Step 1. Cleanup. First, duplicate our layer with Ctrl J or Command J on the Mac. Spot healing brush. Zoom in a little bit and start removing dust, pimple, and small objects. Why you always edit non-destructively? I will duplicate my layer and I will use mixer brush. In the menu bar, I will click this and this one. I want here to be transparent. And then I will start to retouch the skin. In this method, skin texture stays natural. I will reduce opacity of the layer a little bit, around 80 or 90. It will look naturally. Now I'm going to merge these layers. Now I will create two curves. In first one, I will lighten shadows. And in the second one, I will darken highlights. I'm going to color these masks black. Then I will grab my brush and with low opacity, I will start to paint my mask. I will reduce my layer fill or opacity. Now I will add my selective color. And now I'm going to add color balance. Finally, I will make copy of this layer and I will add a little bit high pass. We can change high pass blending mode to overlay or soft light. I want to have this sharpness on my photo. Finally, I'm going to merge these layers. Here is the result. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and comment what you want me to edit next.